Hello everyone, Joseph Radzwion IV, your trusted attorney with Radzwion Law PLLC. Today talking to you about trusts. A trust is something that is a little bit foreign of a concept for most people, and that's okay. The law treats a trust as almost if it were another individual or an extension of the individual that sets it up. And what I mean by that is one of the biggest benefits of having a trust is that when you pass away, that trust continues on in time. That trust continues on in time as if you were still alive. Okay, that's why some trusts are called revocable living trusts. So what that means, and I'll give you an example here to make it a little more clear, is that when someone passes away without a trust, okay, that individual's assets have to be either the court has to approve in how those assets are sold off or handled. Maybe that person has a will, maybe they don't, but the court has to get involved with handling a deceased individual's estate. Now, if you have a trust, that trust that owns your items, your assets, your property, is able to essentially continue on in time as if you were still alive. And what that means is that the court doesn't have to get involved for the most part, with a trust. So if you have a trustee set up to handle that trust, your assets that are owned or held in trust do not need court approval. They can essentially be accessed almost immediately by the individual that you've selected as trustee. So here's your example. Let's say that you set up a trust, you put your bank accounts are to be held in trust, maybe your house is held in trust, you deed your house to trust, and then you pass away. The trustee that's been assigned as the successor trustee to manage and take care of your trust has access to those bank accounts. They can put your house up for sale almost immediately, working with a realtor. They don't need to seek court approval, which court approval takes time and costs money. So essentially, the trust is an extension of you, of what you've set up to be held in trust, and it gives that person more flexibility, more freedom in dealing with your estate. In the long run, it's faster, it's more economical, it's easier on that individual to deal with your property and possessions in the long run. So those are some benefits of having a trust set up, and the advantages under the law of having a trust. I hope you found this video informative. If you do, leave us a comment below. That'd be helpful for us in getting information like this out in front of you guys. Until next time, we'll see you guys later. Stay safe out there.